What is up, everybody out there? This is your man Frank Dutch right here with an episode of Apex News, man. How y'all feeling out there today? I hope y'all are doing well on this Monday morning, man. We got a lot to get into, man, so I'm not going to take much of y'all time in this intro. I just want y'all to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. I'm trying to tell you, y'all be cool how y'all be cool. Without further ado, let's go. All right, so let's get into these new releases, man. Paper Route Empire, rest in peace, Young Dolph, man. They put out a new project called Long Live Dolph. I'm gonna definitely be checking that out when I get the opportunity. Colors by NBA Youngboy. He put out a new project over the weekend. Ian Dior on the Better Things. She's dope. Definitely check her out. I'm gonna be checking that out too. Trader Truth dropped a new project called The United Streets of America, man. Definitely go check that out. Trader Truth is a solid dude, man. You know what I'm saying? And also, while y'all at it, searching around for the internet for this stuff, man, check out the interview that I have with Rebel Blue Gaming. You can check it out on rebelblue.com, the full interview. I'm going to be uploading clips on this channel, you know what I'm saying? But check out the full interview over there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get into this next topic, man. Let's get into what's going on with Coach P and I mean, excuse me, I say Coach P, Coach K and P and all of them over at QC, man. Like actually P in particular, man. It's going crazy right now. This man had to send fire. He had to send the shots. He had to at some dudes for trying to run in his crib, bro. Run up in his crib on some home invasion type junk, man. Y'all check this out right here.
I don't usually do this, but I want to send a clear message. I want to send a clear message to the intruders that came and thought because I was in Miami last night and that y'all thought y'all was going to come break in my house. Y'all thought y'all was going to come lay on me and thought y'all was going to get something. How you tore my alarm system off. You came and prowled my back door and broke in my house. I'm letting you know that. This is a clear warning. Y'all know what happened last night. And I don't think you'll ever try that again. Be grateful and thankful that you're living. Be grateful and thankful that you're living. Do not, never come back over here, ever in life. Listen, y'all need to do better work about securing this neighborhood. It should never be no shootings in here or nothing. And I'm letting you niggas know I'm not no industry nigga. Don't do that no more. Don't do it.
Yeah, that is a crazy situation right there, man. Prayers go out to him and his family and everybody that was involved. In other news, though, we got this Nas Project that came out. You can own a piece of it, or you could own a piece of it anyway. It's sold out now, but it was a thing going on Royal.io. Y'all go check that website out where you could buy small shares of Nas's King Disease 2 album, you know what I'm saying? And it was 3 different tiers. It was a $99 one and a $499 one and a $10,000 one. The $10,000 one is actually sold out. All of them are sold out, but the $10,000 one is sold out too. That's crazy. Like, but it contained 2 VIP concert tickets, an exclusive signed vinyl record of the King Disease album, and a video conversation with Hit Boy, plus all gold and platinum perks. So everything that you got with the previous 2 tiers, you get in the $10,000 joint, the diamond joint. You know what I'm saying? And that's fire, bro. Like, that's pretty much Nip. You know what? Nip did that. Nip did something like that, and he was ahead of his time with that. If you go back and research the album or project rather that he put out called Crenshaw. He was, and a couple of other projects actually. He did a whole thing called Proud to Pay campaign where he was pretty much doing something like this, where he was providing an experience in exchange for, a high dollar amount for the price of his mixtape. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's get into this other news, man. We about to talk about some fashion, man. These new LV Louis Vuitton Don Jones that's about to come out. This is about, these shoes right here, bro. Like, I'm telling you, like, at first when I seen them, I didn't think that it was real or anything like that. I thought it was just some, but when I seen Khaled. I seen your boy Khaled with an all red pair, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, I got to see if I can get my hands on these. Like, I have to. And if I can't, I want to just at least hold them in my hand so I can see them in person, just like Khaled did, man. Them red joints that Khaled has is so fire, bro. They so fire. You know what I'm saying? And it's a brown pair with the other flip cream and blue monogram for the check. Oh my God, it's crazy, man. Look at him. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. Look, that's just marvelous, man. All right, man. So hey, listen, it's some things that done dropped in this pro audio world, man. Like for all my keyboard and MIDI enthusiasts out there, ASM Hydrosynth has dropped a deluxe 73 polyphonic wave morphing synthesizer, bro. That's a lot to be saying at one time. I'm trying to tell you. So you got to know that it does a lot. Let me run through these features for y'all real quick, man. Like, it has a 73 note virtual analog synthesizer with polyphonic aftertouch. Combines multiple synthesis methods like wave tables, linear FM, wave PWM, subtractive, and more. 16 voice polyphony with 3 oscillators per voice and 4 mutator wave shapers. 4 layer or split 2 8-voice patches in multi-mode. You can crossfade between the patches also. It's 7 types of mutator wave shape. Bruh, this is crazy. It's a lot that you can do with this. And if you look at the picture that I got here, you can see that you can also connect this thing to your computer directly via USB and probably use it as a some sort of MIDI controller for your computer. Or you can connect it to some sort of MIDI device so you can control the sounds that's on this unit and put them in your beats, bro, that you did on the machine or that you did in Fruity Loops or whatever the case may be, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing that's going crazy out here. Then we have, for all my DJs out there, we got the all new Pioneer DJ DDJ Rev 7 2-deck Serato DJ controller. So you already know it's going down, bro. It controls Serato. Like, it's going crazy. Let me run through the features for y'all. Professional quality 2-deck DJ controller for use with Serato DJ, which is a beast. I love Serato DJ. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like none of the other DJ programs. I don't like virtual DJ like that. I used to use that back in the day. I like Serato. You know what I'm saying? It has 7-inch jog wheels where it delivers a real lifelike record feel. You know what I'm saying? Like a 45 is pretty much 7 inches. So if you used to scratching 45s, you gonna feel right at home. It has 22 built-in beat effects with 3 new options: duck down, fill out, and helix out. I don't know what that is, but I would like to know about that. Dedicated buttons for hot cue, roll, save, loop sampler, and more for instant results with a single click. Extra durable Magwell Fader Pro, and it stands up to touring abuse while delivering smooth transitions. So we already know that this joint is durable than a fool. Or extensive in and out options to ensure you prepare for any gig. And that's important, man, because it was a couple times where I was DJing at a club and they didn't have the right connections. I'm not gonna say they didn't have the right connections. I wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared. You know what I'm saying? They didn't have the connections that I needed to connect to their main system. So I had to, do a whole nother thing to get it right. But that's neither here nor there, man. Let's go into this next product. They got this right here for all my field recorders and my people that like to collect sounds and stuff like that. This is the Tascam Pro Porta Capture X8 high resolution adaptive multi-recorder. Now, me personally, I don't have this one. I have a Zoom H6. But anything like this, bro, is handy. I'm gonna tell you right now, like, it's handy for on-the-go recording. It's handy if you're doing podcasts. If you're looking for an affordable solution to deliver a podcast of some sort to the people, hey man, this is it right here, because it records right in it. Like, all you need is a SD card and a mic, and mics. If you have a guest host and guest even, you know what I'm saying? So, bruh, this is it. Let's run through some of the features right quick, man. It has 8 tracks for portable recording, bro. 8 tracks. This is a handheld 8-track recorder. Now, it has XLR inputs, 4 of them. You know what I mean? Dual built-in condenser microphones, which is those 2 XY microphones that's at the top, which allow, those mics, they sound amazing, especially on that H6. It records at 32-bit, 192 kilohertz resolution. That's come on, man. You'll be ready to go for your vlog, for your movie, your short film or whatever. This joint right here is dope. It's fire, bro. So with that being said, let's get into the plug-in of the day, man. We gonna be talking about the Soft Tube Saturation plug-in, Saturation Knob, man. This joint right here, bro. You can listen. Not only can you use this to dirty up your sounds and your drums or whatever you want to run through it. My God, the best part about this, it's free, bro. This is a free plug-in from SoftTube, bro. And if you know, like I know, if SoftTube giving you something, you better go over there and get it. I'm trying to tell you right now. I got the link down in the description right now where you can get the plug-in at for free. Click that link down in the description and you can have it too. All right, so before we get out of here, man, I want to end it with some positivity, man. I want everybody to always shoot for the moon, because if you miss, you will land amongst the stars. I promise you that. What that basically means, man, always aim high, bro. Always aim high. Don't aim low, because you might miss. You might miss low, and you're going to fall down on the ground. At least if you aim high, you'll float amongst the stars and be chilling with the stars and be amongst the atmosphere. You'll still be in a good space. You feel what I'm saying? So stay positive, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Peace.